How you going, guys? Welcome back. Now today we're talking about the new NP300. Was it the
D23.
D23, there you go. I was a little bit muddled up there. Now, Jess is the lovely owner of this red D23. Now Jess, what have we done to this so far?
So far we've added a bull bar, set a 9-inch Vivid Max lights, rear bar, and done some suspension work as well.
That's a lot to do.
Yeah, the boys have been working hard.
Now, have you noticed the difference in it?
Definitely.
Other than the height?
Well, the height, you know, is a good thing, but it handles a lot better. We've also chucked a new set of tyres on it, so the bigger, chunkier wheels.
Yep.
It handles really well, and it just looks awesome, so.
That's pretty cool.
You gotta love that.
Now, previously you had the D40?
Yeah.
A bit of a power difference between the two?
A little bit, yeah.
Yep.
Kind of gets up and goes a bit easier.
Yep. Now I've heard that instead of just one turbo, there's two turbos.
Yeah.
So you must know.
Double the turbos.
Yeah, double the turbo's good. So, but yeah, so two turbos, an EFS, basically a full kit out.
Yep.
Realistically, have you tried out the big 9 inches yet?
Not yet. We haven't turned them on at night yet.
Okay, rightio. You'll be impressed.
Yes, I think we will.
Absolutely impressed.
Yep.
So they're just a stonking light that just puts out so much light. You can't not be impressed with these lights.
Yep.
So just underneath here, which winch did you go for?
We got the R10 winch.
Okay, rightio.
So the 10,000 pound plus retrieve.
Yep. Right, synthetic rope, everything. Awesome.
Green hook.
Well, so we're out in the bush. We're going to test drive all these bits and pieces on this vehicle and see how we go. Thanks for watching.
Thanks, guys.